A new era of cooperation, the AUKUS Agreement. The AUKUS Agreement, announced in 2021, marks a significant shift in the Indo-Pacific strategic landscape. This trilateral partnership between Australia, the United Kingdom and the United States aims to bolster security and defence cooperation. At its core lies a commitment to equip Australia with a nuclear-powered submarine capability. This move underscores the shared concerns of these nations regarding the growing military assertiveness of China in the region. The AUKUS Pact is about much more than submarines, however. It represents a deepening of technological and strategic ties between these three allies. The agreement encompasses collaboration on advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, cyber capabilities, and quantum computing. This multifaceted approach reflects a recognition that future security challenges will demand a united front and cutting-edge capabilities. For Australia, the agreement is particularly transformative. It signals a decisive shift in its defence posture. The acquisition of nuclear-powered submarines will provide Australia with a significant deterrent capability. This is essential for safeguarding its interests in an increasingly complex and contested maritime domain. The AUKUS Agreement is a testament to the enduring strength of the Australia-UK-US alliance. It is a clear demonstration of their shared commitment to upholding a free and open Indo-Pacific. The success of this ambitious endeavour will have profound implications for regional security and stability for years to come. Submarines for Australia, a strategic asset and a challenge. The centrepiece of the AUKUS Agreement is the provision of nuclear-powered submarines to Australia. These submarines, based on the US Virginia-class design and a new SSN AUKUS variant, will significantly enhance Australia's naval capabilities. Nuclear propulsion offers several advantages over conventional diesel-electric submarines. They have greater range, endurance and stealth, making them formidable platforms for deterrence and power projection. Australia's acquisition of nuclear-powered submarines is a complex and long-term undertaking. The first submarines are not expected to be operational until the late 2030s or early 2040s. This extended time frame highlights the significant technological and industrial challenges involved in designing, building and operating these sophisticated vessels. It also underscores the need for sustained political will and commitment from all three AUKUS partners. The development of the SSN AUKUS variant presents both opportunities and complexities. This new design will incorporate advanced technologies and features tailored to Australia's specific operational requirements. However, it also adds another layer of complexity to an already ambitious program. Managing the design, development and production of a new submarine class will require close coordination and collaboration between Australia, the UK and the US. The success of the AUKUS submarine program hinges on effective knowledge sharing, technology transfer and industrial cooperation. This will require a significant investment in workforce development, infrastructure upgrades and supply chain integration. Overcoming these challenges will be crucial for ensuring that Australia receives its submarines on time and within budget, while also strengthening the industrial base of all three AUKUS partners. The American shipbuilding industry, a question of capacity. The AUKUS Agreement has raised concerns about the capacity of the US shipbuilding industry to meet both domestic and international commitments. The US Navy is already facing challenges in maintaining its own fleet of submarines, with delays and cost overruns plaguing the Virginia-class program. Adding Australia's submarine requirements to the mix has intensified scrutiny of the industrial base's ability to handle the increased workload. The US shipbuilding industry has struggled in recent years with workforce shortages, aging infrastructure, and supply chain vulnerabilities. These issues have contributed to delays in submarine construction and maintenance, impacting the Navy's readiness and operational capabilities. The AUKUS Agreement necessitates a significant expansion of the industrial base to accommodate the additional demand for submarines. Delays and budget overruns in the Virginia-class program serve as a cautionary tale. The program has faced challenges related to design changes, technical issues, and supplier performance. These problems have resulted in significant schedule slips and cost increases, raising concerns about the affordability and sustainability of the program. Addressing these underlying issues is essential for ensuring the timely and cost-effective delivery of submarines for both the US Navy and Australia. The US government has acknowledged the need to invest in the shipbuilding industrial base to support both domestic and AUKUS commitments. This includes funding for workforce training, shipyard modernization, and supply chain resilience. However, translating these commitments into tangible results will require sustained effort and oversight. Failure to adequately address these challenges could jeopardize the success of the AUKUS Agreement and undermine the US Navy's own submarine force modernization plans. Balancing Act AUKUS and the future of US naval power. The AUKUS Agreement presents the United States with a complex balancing act. On the one hand, it offers a significant opportunity to strengthen alliances, deter adversaries, and maintain a favorable balance of power in the Indo-Pacific. On the other hand, it requires a substantial commitment of resources, technology, and industrial capacity at a time when the US Navy is already grappling with its own modernization challenges. The US government must carefully weigh the strategic benefits of the AUKUS Agreement against the potential costs and risks. This includes assessing the impact on the US Navy's own force structure, readiness, and modernization timelines. It also involves considering the potential economic and political implications of a significant increase in submarine production. Finding the right balance will require clear strategic thinking, effective resource allocation, and a willingness to make tough choices. The US government must prioritize investments that yield the greatest strategic benefit while mitigating potential risks to domestic naval capabilities. This may involve making difficult trade-offs between competing priorities and adjusting existing plans to accommodate the AUKUS Agreement's requirements. Ultimately, the success of the AUKUS Agreement hinges on the US government's ability to effectively balance support for its allies with the imperative of maintaining a strong and capable Navy. This will require a sustained commitment to diplomacy, defense, and industrial policy, ensuring that the US can effectively navigate the complex security challenges of the 21st century.